are my shelter from the storm. You keep me safe inside your wings. You are my comfort when life gets hard. You lead me to.
Hello my sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. Today I am going to take you all outside and let y'all look at our home. You know, we've recently did, and I showed you in the pre-clip, we did new windows and got rid of all those brown windows and did these white windows, which are absolutely gorgeous. And then finally I was able to paint the outside of the house. So I want to get y'all out there before it gets too dark so I can show that with you all, or share that with you all today. I'm a little bit tired today. I had a long day. It seems like it's already Thursday. See, I do work every day, and this week has been kind of busy. So I'm on the struggle bus. So y'all please think about me with that. But I'm so excited to share with you all the outside. It turned out absolutely gorgeous. It's exactly what I pictured, what I wanted. What I had done is I had rode by a house where I work in Andalusia, and I had rode by a house several times and fell in love with the color. So I had a friend ask a friend what the color was, and it was a unique color, and we'll get into that when we get outside. But I've been kind of looking, I want the house to have more of a vintage feel. My whole house is vintage. The outside should reflect that as well. So that is my goal, is something real classic. I love, any kind of French style, so kind of like a French farmhouse or an Italian farmhouse. Been loving all of the HGTV with Fixer to Fabulous. I don't know if y'all have watched that, Italiana, where she redid the house in Italy, and oh my gosh, it just makes me want to do the whole house that way. But I love our home, how we've got it going right now, and so we've got a lot of projects coming up on the outside together, but I do have a few projects this summer on the inside. But let's just get on outside, and I'll go around the house all the way around and kind of tell you the projects that I'd like to do. And then in the end, what I'm going to do is kind of show you all my inspiration pictures. Basically, kind of like my Pinterest board on what I want to do outside. So I'm excited to share this with you guys. This is very real. We don't have a lot of money to throw into the house every chance we get. So every time that we can save up some money or do something, that's why we do it in increments, if that makes sense. We're just regular old folks just trying to make a living. So I'm so glad that you joined me today. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my little channel. It helps, promote my YouTube. So let's just get on outside. So this is the house now. I wish that I could get here, and you're gonna have to overlook the front porch. It is a mess. But every hour in the day, it looks so different. But I am loving this color. I love the fact that we don't have the two-tone where the gray was on the bottom and the white on top. So I hope that I did a good portion of the front so you could see, or the first part of the video so you could see what it looked like before. So what we're going to do this summer with you guys, we're going to work on these flower beds and work on the front porch. My idea for the front porch is to build a deck out from the front door all the way to the end of the concrete. So let's get close and we'll talk. So in speaking with the contractor today, he said that he would have to jackhammer this step out and come out from the door straight, and it would come over all the way to the end of this awkward, and I know why they did it at a slant, but I just hate it for my parents and people that come see us. They get their feet kind of caught up in that slant area. So it's going to be straight out all the way to the end. And I told him it was probably about 14 by 14, not really sure. So it will go all the way, and I'm going to point. It'll go from this all the way to there, from the front door all the way out to here. And then I had another idea, and I want to show y'all a picture of that. I am thinking about either having someone do it for me or painting a diamond pattern in this color, which is the Richmond White by Sherwin-Williams. It is a special color, and I'll be glad to, you know, show y'all a clip of it again. I have in the other videos, but I'll show you again. Love it. It's so creamy and pretty. But doing that and a gray checkerboard, because this board on the front porch will be the gray Trex. We are looking at getting a new door, but that's something further down the road. We have to save the money all along to get what we want, guys. Money. You can see our pump house out at the end. It was like the old house was, so gray on the bottom, white on the top. I love this. I love the shutters being gone. Let's walk around to the back. I wanted y'all to see the side of the house. So the sun isn't shining on this, and it's very creamy and so pretty out here by this humongous oak tree. Look at this oak tree. I don't have no idea how old this oak tree is, but it is beautiful. I'll show y'all. This field over here is ours as well. Let's go. Really looks like we need to cut grass. Bless my husband and my heart, we cut grass all the time. But look at the difference back here. You can really see he didn't paint the base of the house, and I think I'm fine with that. We will eventually have to get a new roof, but this creamy color is so dreamy. We'll go on further. Look how different the back of it is. Now, I really wanted him to paint those corbels up top, and he did not. I wanted it all this creamy white color. I'm going to have to go back and do that myself. We do need to kind of wash the soffit or the fascia board. I think that's what that's called. The trim work up top, because it's metal. But the new windows and the new paint job really look good. Now let's go over to the other side. I want to show y'all the other side and the garage door. So this is the other side, and we are going to tear this deck down. We just hadn't had the opportunity. We're going to do it while we were off that week in March. Didn't happen. So, but this will be, we'll have an area to come out of that sliding glass door, that new sliding glass door, and then it will come out over this area. But the difference in the color really makes it pretty. So all the brown trim is gone, thank goodness. Loving all the creamy white with the bright white. I may try to put more bright white, not really sure. But so this is what I was talking about, doing the checkerboard from here all the way up the walkway. I think it'd be really pretty, and we're gonna redo all this flower bed.
Water to drink.